G2X 330 and 430 owners rejoice. I've not one, but two reversible exhaust solutions that'll give you the dose of aggression that you're going for. Stay tuned and I'll fill you in. It's Sarah from AWE, and this is the product rundown, the series where we go inlet to tip on one of our exhaust suites. Today we have the BMW G2X 330i and 430i, so let's get started. I'll meet you at the inlet. Beginning after the secondary catalyst, the party starts right before the rear axle with a simple cut at the factory cut point. Thick-walled 3-inch T304L stainless mates up to the factory mid-pipe via this factory sleeve clamp, making it easy for drivers to go back to stock if need be. Next up is the differentiator between track and touring editions. The touring edition features AWE's patented drone-canceling 180 technology resonators. They have a straight-through design with no packing material, so you don't have to worry about the tone changing over time. The track edition, on the other hand, as you can see, has no filter. What it lacks in content, it makes up for in purpose. Both systems are critical for each model, and we learned during development that the differences between coupe and sedan influenced interior acoustics pretty significantly. So with that said, grab shotgun and I'll explain what we recommend for each. Seriously, pay attention. This is critical info I'm about to give you. 330 owners that are planning to keep everything upstream in factory form, we recommend the track edition. Due to the amount of sound dampening within the 330, the B48 needs some help amplifying the soundtrack to reach the driver's seat. Thanks to that same interior behavior, the track edition is relatively well-mannered at highway speeds. Now, when it comes to the coupe, what you're hearing now will be louder due to the nature of the coupe's interior, and it may be a little bit loud for some. Thus, we recommend the touring edition for the 440 to keep it sophisticated within the cabin. And if you'd like to switch editions at any point, we offer conversion kits so you're never stuck and always have options. And here's how the B48 sounds from outside the car. Good stuff, right? Now, if you're looking to upgrade anything farther upstream, we recommend the Touring Edition regardless of your model. Removing the mid-pipe or other components will introduce harsh frequencies, and you're gonna wish you had 180 technology. Regardless of which system you choose, they're both equipped with 4.5-inch double-walled and slash-cut tips that are 3-way adjustable and available in chrome silver or diamond black. Each exhaust is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Designed, engineered, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your G2X. For more information, dyno data, or to grab one for yourself, head to awebmw.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.